Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing? I hope everything's okay. J'espère que tout va bien. Ok, aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre à conjuguer le verbe au premier groupe. Le verbe du premier groupe. Like when you read this piece, is the verb and this is the first group. In French, we have different categories of the verb. Let's say that some of the verb, the ending is er. So we classify this type of the verb and the ending in er as a first group verb. And we come to this is the second group verb and the ending is ir. And this is the third one. It can be oir or ir. And some of the irregular this verb too, we classify it in this is the third group of verb. So today we will try to conjugate only this is the verb, the first group verb. So here you can see that le verbe du premier groupe. So le verbe du premier groupe en ER. We have all this is the verb. You can see that the ending is ER. They are the first group verb, except le verbe aller. You can see that le verbe aller, the ending is ER, but it's not a first group verb. It's a third group verb because it doesn't follow the formula the first group this is used. Okay, so this particular one is this is the exception. Except this particular verb, the rest they are first group verb. Okay, so now what we can do before we can conjugate the verb? Let's say that example here, the verb chanter, to sing. Okay, so how are you supposed to conjugate it? The first thing you're supposed to do, they say the first one you just add e, the second one you add es, the third one you add e, and the fourth one, the plural form, you add ons or eons. But I will show you how the place you're supposed to put the eons. And then this is the fifth one, you add ez, and the last one you add ent. So what you do? So let's take this particular verb. When you take the verb chanter and you want to conjugate it to this is the present tense, what you do, you will write this in the verb and you do away with er. So they say we should do away with er. So I will write it like this. Okay, so I will do away with er. I will not write it. So I will add only e for the first one. So I will add e here. So meaning I finish conjugate this in the verb, the first one. So when you come to the second one, you do away with the er and you add es. So tu chantes. Okay. So when you come to the third one, il ou elle chante. So you write it and you add e. So when you come to this is the fourth one. So you write it like this, chantons, nous chantons. So you put it like this, ons. So you come to this place, you say, vous chantez. You add ez, and the last one, you add ent. Il ou elle chante. Okay, so which place we can put the eons? And I put this in the example here. So any verb, you see that the ending is G-E-R. You're supposed to be very careful over there. So this place you write je mange. You do the first one, you add E. Tu manges. Okay? And you add S. Il ou elle mange. You add only E. Nous mangeons. Okay? Is this place because the G here, if you don't put the E before O, you hear the sound G. But if you want to hear the sound J, so you're supposed to add the E. So nous mangeons and you add E-O-N-S. So you add this one, vous mangez. This one is like this, EZ, and il ou elle mange. This is how you conjugate it. So if you come to a verb, you see that the verb it ends with the G-E-R. You're supposed to be very careful for that. This is the fourth one, the plural form, and you add it very well. Thank you very much for watching this in the how to conjugate this in the verb, and I'll give you a little bit this exercise, and you do it for me. You conjugate it in the present time for me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.